So I worried about these things 30 years ago, but I did not anticipate what has happened. This is not capitalism as in, oh, I want to make a profit on what I made. No, this is like media oligarchy. It's very, very rich. There are corporations and individuals who are moving, as KRS once said, in silence, to completely control not just the outlets, but the entire mechanism, the whole thing. When, why, and how. From moment that you have an object that gives you a way in, to where you go, gathering that data, to determining and tracking what kinds of ideas you're interested in, to following you everywhere you go, to making sure you only see the things you already saw that you wanted to buy, to maximize your relationship to what they have provided to you and minimize your relationship to what those lovely outlets that the people were talking about owning and trying to make up for this gap. This is not a free superhighway. Okay, Napster is gone. Craigslist is a fantasy of community sales from 30 years ago. Like, we're in another world, but we are not keeping up with what's going on. How did we get to Musk in the government? How did we get to all the tech bros buying influence to the most destructive form of human access and social communications at any time in human history? And we're like, hey, you know what? We can be resistant by writing a couple lyrics, and maybe they'll let my one song that says, I don't really like police brutality if it's okay with you, to the rest of the songs being about exactly what we don't really need, which is what? Unself-reflective, lack of vulnerability, and a penchant for violence, hypersexuality of women that actually understands their value as a subset of the value of heterosexual masculinity. Right? If you take women, jewelry, and money out of hip-hop rhymes and videos, what would be the reason for looking at these brothers? You'd be like, well, what are you doing? You ain't got no H's. You ain't got no dough. Where's your ride? Nothing? Well, I'm going back home. It's like, that's the logic. And yet, are we in hip-hop critical analysis, do we have anything in sort of subtle, nuance, complex to say about that? No. And I'm actually very upset about that.